going to discuss about HRM, otherwise Human Resource Management. I have prepared this video focusing on students who are facing difficulties in learning about HRM. We will be mainly focusing on several topics related to HRM and a detailed analysis of top 5 companies which follows an effective HRM implementations. This video might help you to learn more about HRM in deep since the topics are explained in simple language. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. Human Resource Management. Human Resource Management is a process and philosophy of acquisition, development, utilization, and maintenance of the competent human force to achieve goals of an organization in an efficient and effective manner. HRM is both the art of managing people by recourse to creative and innovative approaches. It is a science as well as because of the precision and rigorous application of theory that is required. HRM is pervasive because it is required in every department of the organization. Development of HRM covers all the levels and all categories of people and management and operational staff. No discrimination is made between any levels or categories. HRM serves all the other functional department, but the basic responsibility always lies within the line of managers. HRM is about people at work both as individual and a group. It tries to help employees to develop their potential fully. HRM is a philosophy and basic assumption is that employees are human beings and not a factor of production like land, labor or capital. HRM recognizes individuality and individual difference. Next, why HR is important? HR plays a key role in developing, reinforcing and changing the culture of an organization. Pay, performance management, training and development, recruitment and onboarding, and reinforcing the values of business are all the essential elements of business culture covered by HR. Thus, HR is important in an organization. What are the key responsibilities? Human resource management deals with the development of individual and organization also in which they operate. It not only deals with increasing the performance of individual but also with the implementing programmers that enhance communication and cooperation between workers in order to nurture the organization environment. Next, effective HRM policies. Here are some effective HRM policies which are taken by some of the top biggest MNCs in the world. First point is recruitment and selection. Recruitment and selection are arguably the most visible elements of HR. Recruiting candidates and selecting the best ones to come and work for the company is a key HR responsibility. People are the lifeblood of the organization and finding the best fit is a key task. The request for new hires usually starts when a new job is created or an existing job opens up. The direct manager send the job description to the HR and HR starts recruiting the candidates. In this process, HR can use different selection instruments to find the best person to do the work. These include interviews, different assessments, reference checks, and other recruitment methods. Second point, performance management. Performance management is the second HR basic. It involves helping people to perform in their jobs in a better way. Usually, employees have a defined set of responsibilities that they need to take care of. Performance management is a structure that enables employees to get feedback on the performance with the global goal to reach a better performance. Usually Companies work with an annual performance management cycle which involves planning, monitoring, reviewing, and rewarding employee performance. The outcome of this process enables the categorization of employee in a high versus low performers. Next, the third point, learning and development. Learning and development can help to improve performance. Learning and development is led by HR, and good policies can be very helpful in advancing the organization towards its long term goals. Many organizations have predefined budget for learning and development efforts. This budget is then distributed among employees with trainees, future leaders, and other high potentials, often receiving more training opportunities than others. Fourth point, succession planning. Succession planning is the process of planning circumstance in a key of employees leaving the company. Succession planning is often based on performance rating and learning and development efforts. This results in the creation of a talent pipeline. This is a pool of candidates who are qualified and ready to fill the senior positions in case of someone leaving. Building and nurturing this pipeline is key to good people management. Fifth point, compensation and benefits. Another one of HR basics is compensation and benefits. Fair compensation is key in motivating and retaining employees. Compensation can be split up in primary compensation and secondary compensation. Primary compensation involves directly paid money for the work, which is oftenly in a monthly salary and sometimes performance based pay. Secondary benefits are all non monetary rewards. This can include extra holidays, flexible working times, daycare, pensions, a company car, or even a laptop. The goal here is to reward people in the ways that motivate them. Sixth point, human resource information system. And human resource information systems support all the cornerstones we have discussed above. For example, for recruitment and selection and applicant tracking system, ATS is often used to keep track of applicants and hires. For performance management, a performer management system is used to keep the track of individuals and put in performance ratings. For learning and development, a learning management system is used to distribute the content internally, and other HR systems are used to keep the track of budgets and training approvals. All these functionalities can often be done in one single system that is called human resource information system. However, the management of all these functionalities is split up in different HR systems. Seventh point, HR data and analytics. The last of the HR basic revolves around the data and analytics. The last half decade, HR has made a major leap toward becoming more data driven. The human resource information system is essentially a data entry system. The data in these systems can be used to make better and more informed decisions. An easy way to keep track of critical data is through HR metrics. These are specific measurements that answer how a company is going on given measurement. This is referred to as HR reporting. This reporting focuses on the current and past state of the organization. Using HR analytics, HR can also make predictions about the future. These decisions are often more objective, which makes it easier to find management support for this decision. Next, we are dealing with the comparison of HR activities in top 5 companies in the world. Number 1, Google.
Google is consistently ranked as the best company to work for in the world. The company is more than just an internet juggernaut. Its Mountain View, California headquarters offer a 7-acre sports complex, 3 wellness centers, indoor roller hockey rinks, horseshoe pits, and over 1 lakh hours of subsidized massage doled out each year. Google's philosophy is that with the right tools, you can attract the best talent and develop happier and more productive employees. With these HR efforts, Google's leadership is recognized worldwide. Number 2, Cadbury. Cadbury leads the way when it comes to people management. Not only it's the company the world's largest confectioner, but it has also earned HR accolade by putting its people first. Since founded in 1824, Cadbury has maintained its worker village and R&D factories. The village offers its staff and their families a comfortable environment to work and live. The company is built on an altruistic belief system that makes people a priority. The Cadbury culture combines positivity and balance among work and life. Third one, SAS. In 2014, SAS was ranked number 2 on Fortune's list of the best companies to work for in the US. The HR practices at SAS are innovative and creative, contributing to the reason the company is consistently ranked as an industry leader. The company offers a university campus fields on its ground with greenways that connect buildings to buildings. Recreation and fitness facilities are found on campus, offering time for employees to take part in maintaining the health of the entire person, mind, body, and spirit. SIS is noted for offering a high trust environment and exhibiting a lower turnover rate. The HR department is recognized as a pioneer in addressing day to day stresses and concerns that are common in a workplace environment. Number 4, Nissan. Nissan is known for blending the most recognized manufacturing techniques of Japan with British productivity. A concept known as Kaizen is a key philosophy of Nissan that empowers the workforce to continually improve the way the job is done. Nissan implements this philosophy when choosing each production worker. The team required are the best of the kind, and each member is geared toward improving their skill to shine above the rest. The HR practices at Nissan include transparent salary scales, full autonomy for leaders to recruit and build their own teams. It is a practice not seen in the automobile industry, but at Nissan, it is the key of production and manufacturing success. Number 5, Twitter. Twitter has recently named the second as the overall best company to work for, employing over 1,000 employees. Twitter's innovative HR department promotes a work balanced life, causing the employees to admire the company culture. HR focuses a lot of time and attention to train the managers to lead while maintaining a culture of authenticity, transparency, and accessibility. Twitter is able to maintain the scrappy startup feel while becoming a major tech firm because of the extensive training offered to those in leadership. And number 6, LinkedIn. Business Insider ranked LinkedIn as one of the most desirable employees to work for, and in 2014. The reason that sets LinkedIn apart from its competitors are its HR innovation and team practice. The motto of LinkedIn is to work hard and play hard. The HR team hosts all company parties, complete with live music and a nightclub atmosphere, to reward staff members for their hard work and dedication to the company. The team dynamic is designed to encourage employees to create systems that break the status quo. Once a month, the company holds in a day, which is when employees set aside regular work to explore new ideas. Employee turnover is less than 8% and promotions consistently run over 17%. Some of the other few companies which came in the top 10 list is Boston Consulting Group, Ford, and the last one is Shell. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will try to come up with some other interesting facts. Thank you.